Hey everybody, it's Ayana or Artful Aya, and today we're going to be making motivational photo frames. You can hang it on your wall for motivation, or you can use it as decoration. So let's get crafting. So I'm in Michael's and I'm picking up 5x7 photo frames that are $4 each. Then I'm going to the scrapbooking section. It's so many pieces of paper that you can choose from, so they're fairly priced as well. I picked up a $2 one, a 76-cent one, and a $1 one, so it all varies in price range. And then when I was towards the dollar center, I picked up some washi tape. So today we're going to need a ruler, scissors, a marker, pencil, tape, and your scrapbook, cardstock, paper, and some paint or some markers, some color pencils, anything. So I have two 5x7s right here. I already did a design. I painted it, but I didn't really know if I was feeling it. So I'm going to redo this one. But I also have two other ones to do, so I'm gonna just try anything, really, and that's the fun in it. If your handwriting isn't as neat, or you don't feel like painting, or you just want it to look clean, then you can type it out. And here is the handwritten. So you see the difference? I mean, this is more of a personal touch or a personal preference, but I'm going to show you how to do both. So you can very easily just peel these off. And I didn't tape that down, but this is taped down. So all I did was cut out two squares. This back portion is a 5x7 because you want it to fit the whole frame. So this is going to be the base color. The inside square is 4 1/3 and 5 1/2. So I basically made a pre-cut to test and see what sizes I wanted to add on here. So you can make multiple squares. See, like here, this is a 4x4. So you can really, try any size. It's up to your discretion. So this is a 4x4 on here. Let's see. This is a 4x4. So honestly, you can do anything. So for this next one, I'm going to prep it, and I'm going to use this gold background. So I'm gonna take these clips off. So I'm gonna take this gold piece and cut 5 inches by 7 inches, basically to match that, to cover this background. Oh, it is lopsided. Oh, it's actually not that bad. It's not that bad. It's over a little bit. So I'm gonna just see if I can cut it. So now your photo frame looks like this. So I'm just gonna tape it down to the board. I'm thinking of putting the blue up against here. Or maybe not. Huh. Hmm. Maybe. I mean, shoot. What about... I don't think this will look that good on this. Actually, it's not bad. So, like this. Not bad. Not bad. So, I think I might do... Even with hand painted, it doesn't look bad. So, yeah, I think I'm going to type this one out. So you're going to go to canva.com and sign up for a profile if you haven't already. It's free. You're going to go to create a dimension and we're going to type in 3 by 3 so that it will fit. The main thing I like about Canva is that they have so many preset texts for you. They have templates, just so many things to give you inspiration on what direction you want your graphic design to be. It's really easy. I'm just trying out different ones to see how it fits in the spot, in the space that we're trying to fill. I chose this text and I'm going to ungroup it, click out of it, then drag the happy to where I want it to be. The purple lines are going to help you align everything. And now I'm just thinking of things that I like to say to myself sometimes, or just thinking of adjectives that I know are true to me. To group elements, you're going to click outside and drag your cursor to select all of them and then click group so that you can move everything all at once. It just makes your life so much easier. And then once you're done, you can click ungroup and resize everything to a better fit. To change an element's color, you're going to click the color picker and select your color. They have preset ones. But you can also type in something if you're looking for a specific color. They also give you color palettes. Just as you can type any color, you can type in any element. So whatever you want to add into your background, whatever you can think of, just type it in and see if it comes up in the elements. They have a lot of things that you can choose from, so it's never a dull creation. Another cool thing is you can take the color from the elements that you choose, so everything can mesh together. I'm also fixing the transparency, and then I will save it as a PDF so I can print it on my printer. I'm going to cut this one 4x4. Cool. So now this looks like this. But we got our next layer. Oh, this is gonna be cute. Now I'm gonna tape this one to this part, to the background. Okay, so now I'm going to do my quote. So I'm not gonna say this again, but even though, yeah, it's gonna look very nice. I'm excited. So this is how it came out. It's 3x3, so yeah, it's pretty small. So I'm going to try to, I can kind of see the end, but I'm gonna measure it. How cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put these back on now. Okay, or not. Cool. So this is the end result. So you can interchange these. You can hang these photo frames from these with a nail on your wall. So it's gonna look just like that. But the possibilities are truly endless. There are so many options that you can choose from, and not only on Canva, but in Michael's from the scrapbooking paper. And you can really create anything. So now I'm just going to freestyle and do a freehand, and you can just watch. procrastinate when you can just do. I didn't really know what to do with the E, but you know, I'm gonna make it look nice. So, I put a little clock here. So yeah, I'm gonna use this marker. Actually, I kind of want to make a background for this. So I got some Prismacolor markers right here. This is what it looks like after. Now I'm about to line it with the black marker. So now I'm going to tape everything together. So this is the final result. Thank you for watching my motivational photo frames. I hope that you can create something that motivates you. I can't wait to put these up in my room and really look at them every day and really just put it into my head that I am made for what I do and that I'm unique and I'm beautiful and I'm fashionable, brilliant, and I should not procrastinate. So these are interchangeable. As easy as we put it together, you can disassemble it and create something new. You can use these for anything. Gift them, make them for yourself, anything. You can even put photos in them. I mean, using it for its actual use, you know. But I just think that this is very fun and creative and an easy way to make decorations for your house. Motivation. Tune in next Sunday for my next video. Thanks. So here is the type version. Okay, it's stuck. Okay. Oh, okay. Probably. Maybe not because... Okay. I sound so ridiculous. Oh, wait. Did I not have this one right? Oh, look at that. Listen. Everybody can't cut straight, you know?